So you're interested in growing your business. Google Adwords can help you. Every day, millions of people look for all sorts of things on Google. With Google Adwords, you can make sure that more people find you, an easy and effective way to get more customers. Just when potential customers are actively searching for your products or services, your ads appear. With AdWords, you only pay when someone clicks on your ad and lands on your site. In other words, you only pay when your advertising works. And you're always in complete control of how much you spend. Simply set your daily budget to as little or as much as you need, and change it at any time. You can even set the maximum price that you're willing to pay for each click on your ad that sends an interested visitor to your website. The more you spend and the more relevant your ads are, the more clicks you'll get. Getting your ad online is easy and only takes a few minutes. Just write your ad and choose your keywords, words and phrases that relate to your business. And your ads appear when people search for those terms. This way, your message reaches just the right people at just the right time. Looking for customers from a particular geographic area? Simply show your ads only to users in your region, be it just your zip code, state, or the entire country. With AdWords, you always know what you get for your money. Log into your AdWords account at any time to see which ads or search queries bring the most visitors to your website. You can change your advertising whenever you want, even stop your campaign at any time if you're not satisfied. No strings attached. Try Google AdWords out yourself and start attracting new customers today.